So in this video, we are going to talk about how to become a data engineer. Okay, and what are the main skills is required to become a data engineer, and what is the scope of a data engineer, and what is the average salary for data engineer. So we are going to discuss all these questions, guys. Okay, so before entering into the main topic, if you are visited our YouTube channel for the first time, and don't forget, guys, to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share to your friends also, guys. Let's come back into the main topic, how to become a data engineer and what are the main skills is required to be a data engineer. Okay, so to become a data engineer, first you must be strong in any one programming language, guys. I highly recommend you have to learn Python programming language. So with Python, you should know how to write scripts in Python. At the same time, you should know how to build softwares or how to create softwares using Python also, guys. Okay, and parallelly, you should have some basic knowledge on Scala. Nowadays, Scala also becoming very popular in IT industry, guys. So you may have doubt why Scala is that much important for data engineer, because Scala supports all data engineering related tools, guys, and also Scala is supports both functional programming as well as static typing programs, guys. So therefore, Scala is also very important to become a data engineer. And the next skill is any scripting language, guys. I highly recommend you have to learn shell scripting. By using shell scripting, we can tell the Unix server or Linux server what to do and what not to do. And also by using shell scripting, we can start the Python programs or we can run the job on the Spark cluster, guys. And the next skill is automation, guys. Data engineers must understand how to automate the task. For example, if you want to clean up the table in your database on hourly based schedule, then if you know how to automate that task, then by using automation task you can easily clean up the data in your database. And the next skills are you must understand any SQL database, guys. So it might be MySQL or PostgreSQL or Oracle, anyone. You should understand to write complex SQL queries. At the same time, you should also know about data modeling also, guys. So here data modeling is nothing but you are able to read the database diagrams and understand the techniques of data normalization. And as a data engineer, you should know some database optimized for transactions like OLTP, and for database analysis OLAP. Okay, you should know these skills as well for data transactions and for data analysis, OLTP and OLAP. And also as a data engineer, you must have skills like Apache Kafka, guys, for data streaming process, and also Apache Spark also used for data streaming process, guys. Okay, so therefore you should know Apache Kafka or Apache Spark. And one more important skill set for data engineer is to schedule the workflow. So by using Apache Airflow tool, we can schedule workflow in the data engine pipeline, guys. And also for data engineer, you should know some AWS related service provider as well, guys. Like any one cloud service provider, skills are important. And also you should know how to use Docker and how to use Kubernetes as well, guys. So there is a huge job opportunities are there for data engineers in the future also, guys. The package also very good package the IT companies are providing for data engineer, guys. Because if you are a 3 years of data engineer experience candidate, then they are giving a 15 to 18 lakhs, guys. It depends on the company and location. So after having 5 to 6 years of experience in data engineer, then you can slowly become a data scientist as well, guys, by upgrading your skills, by learning machine learning algorithms. Okay, so you can become a data scientist as well, okay, after having 4 to 5 years of experience in a data engineer position. So that's all, guys, my side. So if you really feel this video is very helpful, then don't forget, guys, please share to your friends also, okay, then it will reach more people. And also don't forget to hit the like button. Okay, so we'll meet with one more useful content video. Thank you very much.